In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wix Nameservers info. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account. You'll want to navigate to Wix's main website, which is www.wix.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, click on it, and use your email and password to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll need to choose the specific site that is connected to the domain you're interested in. Selecting the correct site ensures that you get the accurate settings for your particular domain. Next, you'll need to head over to your domain settings. On your site's dashboard, there's a left-hand sidebar that holds all the options you need. In this sidebar, find and click on Settings. A list of options will appear and you should select Domains, located under Site Settings. This is where you'll see a compilation of all the domains linked to your Wix account. It's useful to double check here that your domain is listed correctly. Now it's time to choose the domain whose name servers you wish to view. You can do this by clicking on the specific domain name presented in the list. Clicking the domain name opens up its domain overview page. This page serves as the central hub for all details relating to your domain. Once you're on this page, you'll need to look for sections labeled Advanced or DNS Settings. These sections contain the critical information we're after. Once you've navigated to the DNS settings, you'll find the information you're looking for. Typically, you will encounter one of two scenarios here. The DNS settings are available and you can simply note down the name servers displayed. It's important to know this information if you plan on making changes related to your domain hosting or server settings. Having access to the name servers is crucial for any domain management task. Remember, understanding how to find your name server information on Wix can save you time and potential headaches in the future when managing your website and its settings. It can also be incredibly helpful if you choose to host your domain elsewhere or if you need to troubleshoot connection issues. So there you have it. The process of finding Wix name server information is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. With this knowledge, you can manage your website's settings confidently and ensure your domain is always pointing to where it needs to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful